Oh man.
Options are good.
Hey YouTube, today we are unpackaging an Afe Power cold air intake system. This is a stage 2 Magnum Force for the 5th gen Ram 1500. We are installing it on a Rebel. This does not work on the 1500 Classic. So let's see what we got for the money. Ooh, lots of goodies here. Yeah. Instructions. Filter. Should be the Pro 5R. Supposed to be really awesome. That's a 7-inch model. Supposed to be maintenance free. We got all this stuff. Oh man, we got a bunch of stuff everywhere. So first thing we're going to start with is pre-assembly. This unit here is supposed to go directly on the bottom half of the factory air box. Supposed to give you 54% more airflow. Comes out to be like 32 foot-pounds of torque, maximum power gains when you look at it on a dyno, and 24 horsepower. It's basically capable of moving about 640 cubic feet of air. Might need some scissors for trimming. Okay, make sure everything fits nice and tight. Next, take your air filter out of the box. To clamp off the air filter. Air filter goes through the hole. Definitely make sure you pull it all the way forward, because this air filter has its own grommet. You want to pull it forward all the way around so that your little raised bosses or pads are making contact with the air box. That'll also stop vibration. That'll stop it from rubbing down here. So make sure before you put your intake tube on to fully seat the air filter all the way around. Well, we did all the pre-work, got everything else assembled. Didn't take very long. Let's see how long this takes to install it. Don't forget to unplug intake air temp sensor. You've got one clip. Basically just push in and pull. It's kind of tricky for us little guys. Push in, twist, remove. Now, me personally, I'm going to tighten this up just a little bit so it doesn't slip after I install it. Just a little bit. Let's set it down right here. Line up with the factory holes. Nice and easy. Okay. Switch back to your 10mm. Don't over tighten them, they're just going into plastic. Oh, there we go. Switch over to your 8mm. Grab your intake boot here. Put the clamp on in a way that you can access it. Make sure your boot's on snug. Okay, pull that clamp square. It's okay to go slow. See, that's pretty good. Okay, grab the intake. Now, we are going to have to put something in place for the intake air temp sensor here. That shouldn't be too difficult to remove. Just give a little twist to the left and pull it out. No big deal. Probably gonna use this grommet here. Nope. Alright, so you're going to stick the grommet inside. Careful with this sensor. Get your grommet in. Make sure it's all the way seated. You put this adapter in. Kind of rotate it around while pushing down. Oh, see, the grommet slipped. And it could be a tight fit, so you want to support the grommet on the back side with your pointer finger. Just kind of be gentle with it. Rock it around. It's a very tight fit. There we go, that's got a nice seat. Okay, now you're gonna pay attention to the indexing of this intake air temp sensor. I'm gonna stick it back in gently. Once you feel it seated, Go ahead and turn it clockwise. Alright, you're ready for the next step. It's easy. Support your air filter with your hand. Okay, it's going to be right there. Slip this on. Slide the clamp up and over, makes it a little easier sometimes. The screwdriver helps. Pick tool works better. Just give her a little push. Alright, I like to line the clamps up. I'm not using a screwdriver. That takes too long. Nice and tight. Okay, now we're going to loosen this clamp up that we previously tightened. I like to slide the clamp over the intake. It makes it a little easier during this process. You got to kind of force the filter forward. Slide the clamp over it. Just kind of work it in there. She'll go. You might need to give it a little support here and twist. There you go. Get your clamp in a nice easy spot where you can tighten it. And give her a go. Make sure she's on square. Okay, next step. Plug in your PCV hose. Just be gentle with it. It's only plastic. Here, we'll get up on top. Nice little step that Ram gave us. We'll plug in the intake air temp sensor. And we'll just plug in the PCV hose until it clicks. Pushing the button helps. Just kind of be gentle with it. Okay, it clicked. Pull. That isn't coming off. Perfect. Next, we'll see how it sounds. Yeah, that definitely looks a little more aggressive. Let's see how it sounds. Pretty mellow at idle. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, that's real nice. That sounds much better. I can't wait to see what that sounds like in the cab. Oh, way more power. You gotta let the ram out. Unleash the ram.